Let's go!
Many of you might be wondering, what is the benefit of riding at a slow pace? Well, the benefits are improving your sense of balance, better clutch control, better throttle control, and better brake control. So let's get started. A standing body position with your knees bent. This will help you to maintain your balance and move your body more freely as when you are sitting. Ride on a relatively smooth surface. Pull in your clutch to slow down. Use your brakes to come to a temporary stop. You can use either one of the brakes. Try to get as much possible practice with the front and back brake. One or two fingers on the clutch, one finger on the front brake, and cover the back brake. Add some obstacles in the mix. While still in a slow pace, cross the obstacle. After you cross the obstacle, how quickly you can slow down or even come to a temporary stop. Do these exercises until it becomes natural.